just so for people who don't know, Ecuador has a lot of dogs in different places, and their states. Dogs run freely from 8 to 5. They're on a quest.
They're clocking in for a shift every morning.
And Ecuadorians allow their dogs they let them out in the morning, even if they're at home. They let their dogs out because I've seen posts in my chat that they let their dogs go out to go hang out with their friends.
Yeah. And this is in our neighborhood chat, not like Facebook or anything.
Right. Neighborhood chat. The dogs are let out to go hang out with their friends so they can chase cars, chase motorcycles.
Which is what they do.
They walk along the parks and they're not a threat. I'm not saying all of them. The ones we come across, because I still carry a stick just in case something that dog is not feeling, he's not in good mood. He or she is not in a good mood. But a lot of times they pay you no attention. Yeah. They're on their quest. They're just out. So
looking for a free.
If you come and you see dogs walking along the Malacon, they're not there to attack you.
Yeah, or walking in the park here. Now, of course, there's always that stray, like, weird dog that might attack somebody. But for the most part, you see a dog here walking around, it's not paying you any attention.
But they're out hanging with their friends. They're crossing the street.
Yeah, they wait for traffic.
Yes, they're so domesticated.
Almost like they're looking at us like, hold on, don't go yet.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.